This is a moon lamp. For kids, Night Light Galaxy lamp with 16 colors LED. This lamp has a remote control. Also, it's making the 3D effect of the moon's surface based on astronomical data by NASA satellite. When the light is turned on, it seems to be in the splendid galaxy. As the color and perspective change, it presents a magical and colorful color. This lamp has got 500 mAh battery, and also it can be charged through USB. Also, unlike others, this night light projector has 16 soothing white sounds and baby lullabies built in. It's also a Bluetooth speaker, and your phone can connect to Bluetooth to play music, allowing you to relax every night and forget all your fears. Click the link below if you want to check out this amazing gift.